Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a well. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the well. First of all, you have to draw a curved line like this. And I'm not using any ruler to draw some straight lines. Here some small lines. Okay. Let's draw its handle. And these are rope. Okay. Let's give it a complete look. And here's some tiny flowers. Let's do some pattern. Pretty good. Now I will draw its shade. Its shade is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm coloring its shade with red. And I'm coloring its lower portion and wood with yellow-orange color. I'm using yellow color to color the rope. Now I'm using brown. I'm using yellow-orange color again to color the whale's body. I'm using a bit of yellow-orange color in light hand. I'm using red again. And now to color the flower, I'm using yellow. Let's draw some grass with green. And I'm ending it with light green color. Wow! My drawing is done! And this is how you can draw a well within a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.